Exclusive United to cut 12% of each day Newark flights to reinforce overall performance. Washington United Airlines will announce on Thursday it's going to briefly reduce about 50 each day departures from its Newark airport hub starting July 1 to deal with congestion and as worries mount over the U.S. summertime air travel season. The summer flight cuts could apply only to domestic flights, represented 12% of United's 425 daily flights at Newark and could not result in the airline exiting markets, the employer informed. The Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) on June 17 granted United approval to quickly reduce Newark flights after the Chicago-based service petitioned for a waiver, bringing up airport construction and air site visitors manipulate ATC staffing. The employer said in a previously unreported letter seen through that it anticipated the move would assist the FAA and providers manipulate delays for the duration of terminal and runway creation initiatives. And worker email sent Thursday with the aid of United Leader Operations Officer John Reutman and visible by using sets out reasons for the agency's plans. The cuts must help decrease excessive delays and enhance on-time performance, Reutman wrote, and were being followed despite the fact that the organization had the planes, pilots, crews and assisting staffing essential to fly our modern Newark timetable. Travelers NYSE, TRV, are bracing for a tough summer season as airlines anticipate file demand and are still rebuilding workforces after heaps of personnel left the enterprise throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Many U.S. companies have already made considerable flight cuts to summertime schedules to improve overall performance. Newark, the 14th busiest U.S. airport in 2021, is one of three major airports in the New York City area. Service disruptions at Newark, in which United operates approximately 70% of flights, could have a ripple impact throughout the United States. Last Thursday, Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg entreated principal U.S. airline CEOs to make certain they may reliably operate planned summer schedules after hundreds of Memorial Day weekend flight disruptions. Reutman stated in an in-advance June worker email, due to the fact JetBlue and Spirit are scheduling unapproved flights at Newark, clients at what is already the most not-on-time airport in the United States are enduring longer delays and greater cancellations. Spirit Airlines (NYSE) SAVE has rejected what it termed United's deceptive efforts to blame Spirit and JetBlue Airways (Nasdaq, JBLU) for congestion delays, whilst JetBlue mentioned United need to look in the proverbial reflect first while searching for a carrier in charge. United does now not count on agenda modifications at its other 6 U.S. hubs this summer. It has FAA approval to retain flight cuts for the remainder of the summer, but hopes to reinstate the 50 each day departures as soon as viable, in keeping with the present-day worker electronic mail.